Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. This video is on another method of revenue recognition, that is straight line prorate first and last period rate. In this case, first we are spreading the amount over all the months equally except first and last month. For example, say in this case we are having total amount of rupees 4 lakh. So here we have spreaded this amount equally for these 3 months. Okay, and totally we are having 4 months to spread this amount of 4 lakh, full 4 months. All right, so here we are distributing amount equally except first and last month. Okay, see, and we prorate amount for the first and last month by taking value of rupees 1 lakh. Okay, because 4 lakh minus this 3 lakh, only 1 lakh is remaining. So we are distributing 1 lakh between November and the March. So in this case, revenue recognition start date is 25th of November and it ends on 24th of March. So there are full 4 months period. Okay, and here we are considering total number of days, including November and March, or 30 days. Okay, so calculation for November and March, I'll be showing you. In the month of November, there are 6 days remaining, whereas in the month of March, there are 24 days. So overall, there are 30 days. All right. So here you can see how we have calculated amount for the month of November. So here you can see amount of rupees 1 lakh into number of days, that is 6 in this case, and divided by 30. Whereas in the month of March, you can see the calculation amount rupees 1 lakh into 24 days and overall 30 days. Okay. Now, here are the journal entries at the time of invoice, accounts receivable, account debit to deferred revenue, whereas we are going to defer this revenue from November to March, full 4 months period. This is okay. Now, let's go to the application. Okay. Now, first we'll create the sales order. Select the customer name. Meet Limited. Now come to the line item. Just a moment, it is taking some time. Select the currency list, INR in my case. Now select the item. So item computer 101. Quantity here I want to give for, okay. Later I'm giving 1 lakh, overall 4 lakh. Now you have to mention the revenue recognition start date and end date. So revenue recognition start date, here I'm giving today's date as start date and end date. 24th of March. All right, then save it. Approve this. Now come to the related record subtab. Right now nothing is here, so we need to update it manually because we have chosen that method. So let's go to the transaction, financial, and update revenue arrangements and revenue plan. Enter today's date here. Again, select today's date and update the revenue plans. Now let's go to the sales order again. Now refresh this page. And under the related records, nothing is here. Just reload it again. Once again, we'll update this. Now let's go to the sales order, refresh it. Now let's go to the related records here. Let's open this one, revenue arrangement. Okay, now view the revenue recognition plan. Revenue recognition plan. Open this actual one. We have given here 4 periods, but it has taken the 5 months. So let's edit this one. 24th of March. Close this and refresh it again. Okay. Sales order, refresh this. Related records, revenue arrangement, open this one. Also, let's open the plan. Okay. Now here you can see. Now we have prepared this one. Okay. For the month of November, amount to be deferred, that is 20,000, and we are recognizing in the month of November revenue, we are recognizing 20,000. So here you can see in the month of November, we are recognizing 20,000 amount. Then December, January, and February, we are recognizing 1 lakh as revenue, and we are reversing deferred revenue by rupees 1 lakh for the 3 months. Then in the month of March, we are recognizing revenue rupees 80,000. All right. So this is how the calculation we have did. Also, we have used here this method. So I will also show you that. See, this is the number. Then here you can see revenue recognition start date and end date, whatever we have mentioned. Okay. Then amount 4 lakh. Now here you can see recognition method, that is straight line, prorate, first and last month. That this is period rate. Okay. Also remaining deferred balance is 4 lakh because we haven't recognized yet. That is why it is showing entire 4 lakhs here. Okay. Now let's close this one. And let's fulfill the order. Enter the location. Okay. Now save it. Now create the bill. Okay. Okay. Now check the information. As we have entered this item, computer 101, 4 lakh amount. All right. And then let's save this record. Okay. Now let's view the GL impact. Accounts receivable to deferred revenue by rupees 4 lakh. Okay. Customer or accounts receivable account debit to deferred revenue, that is rupees 4 lakh. Okay. Now we'll see this impact of this 4 lakh on our financial statement balance sheet, that is on deferred revenue. Okay. Now for this, refresh this first. Okay. Okay. Invoice 25th of November 1089 and Meet Limited amount rupees 4 lakh. Okay, so we have entered the deferred revenue. Now the next step is to reverse the deferred revenue for the month of November and recognize the revenue for the month of November. For that, let's go to the transaction financial, and here scheduled revenue recognition journal entries run now. Okay, for the posting period is November. All right. Now here we have to select the amount. So revenue recognition prorate first and last period rate. This is amount of rupees 20,000 for the month of November. Okay, so we want to create the journal for this. Also, we want to approve this from here. Okay, journal entry date would be 30th of November. All right. Now let's click on create journal entries here. Refresh it. So status is it is in progress. Let's refresh it again. Now status is complete. 1874. Let's open this. Now let's view the GL impact of this also. So here you can see deferred revenue account. We are reversing deferred revenue by rupees 20,000, and here we are recognizing revenue for rupees 20,000 in the month of November. Okay, now let's go to the balance sheet. Okay, before this, I just want to show you this. See, for the month of November, deferred revenue account debit to revenue. Okay, 20,000. Now let's go to the balance sheet again. Okay, now refresh this again. So here you can see 30th of November, 1874, Meet Limited. Here we have reversed 20,000 amount. All right, and let's open the income statement. Let's refresh this also. Now here we have recognized the amount of rupees 20,000. Okay, 1874. So this is how we have completed all the 4 methods of revenue recognition. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you.